Hello, traders. Today is Wednesday, July 16th, and this is my analysis for the Kiwi US dollar, and we are on the 1 hour time frame. So it's pretty obvious that the daily is down and that the weekly is down, which means I am definitely only looking for shorts in a downtrend. I definitely wouldn't be trying to go short right now, but I would be hoping for a move to the upside in order to go short. I'm looking to go short at this three-way pullback. I'm looking to go short at these three-way pullbacks. Even these little one, two, three-way pullbacks, I would like to go short on. So as of right now, unfortunately for me, the only strategy would be to either be already be short, waiting for an exit, or to be patiently waiting for another three-way pullback to go short again for the continuation of the daily time frame downtrend. There is definitely no reason to think that the daily time frame downtrend is over, so I definitely am looking for shorts, and I definitely am patiently waiting for more pullbacks in order to go short. So, anyways, don't forget to check out my free Discord channel, linked down here in the corner. Take a look at my website, fxpipcollector.com. And as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.